I was talking to a friend of mine and we were talking about my business, helping people heal from betrayal. And he said, it's one of those things that, my gosh, it's got to be so hard having all those symptoms and staying stuck. I imagine they really want to move forward as fast as they can. And I said, it's really funny because a lot of times people will just tell me their symptoms of post-betrayal syndrome. I'm exhausted. I can't sleep. I have digestive issues. I can't think straight. I can't focus. I could barely get out of bed, on and on and on. But then they don't do anything and they just simply tell me their symptoms. And he started laughing. He said, that's really funny. That's kind of like going to your doctor and telling him or her your symptoms and then leaving, and it's really true. You can heal from all of it. So if you missed the last betrayal recovery blueprint, we are doing it again. Check the link in my bio. I'm going through the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough. I'm going to tell you what staying stuck looks like and how to know if you are stuck. I'm going to share with you how to know if you're unhealed, even if it happened decades ago. Repeat betrayals is one of those classic ways that we know, and so much more. So staying stuck is a choice. You deserve to move through all of it. There's a predictable, proven way to do just that. So click the link in my bio. I'll see you then.